Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another episode of Year of the Day. My name is Ace Kanti. This episode of Year of the Day is brought to you by Bits Africa. There is an update on this particular story. The Kenyan authorities arrested a fake lawyer, Brian Mwenda, who has falsely been presenting himself as an advocate of the High Court of Kenya. He argued 26 cases before the High Court judges, magistrates, Court of Appeal judges. He won all the 26 cases before his arrest.
There is this case where a lawyer, in court, somebody actually paraded himself as a lawyer in Kenya and actually won 26 cases
out of 26.
Yes, so they arrested him and they found out that the person parading himself as a lawyer, no, he has the fake lawyer, no, said them catch him say the fake lawyer, no. The fake lawyer had won 26 cases out of 26, undefeated.
A fake lawyer
in a competent court of jurisdiction, not basketball court,
not forecourt.
He argued 26 cases before the High Court judges, magistrate and Court of Appeal judges. He won all the 26 before his arrest.
This one, if they do mistakes, they won't carry him go court.
He will win. Because if you win against High Court judges, magistrate, then Court of Appeal,
then will make a foolish case or pillow case. Because if you make mistake, carry him go win. You go argue.
And when this story was circulating on Twitter, everyone was talking about it. People were asking, how did he manage to win 26 cases? Because we have lawyers who have been operating for 30 years. They have 30 years experience. Cases win. Some have not even won a phone case. Pillow cases, some never win. And there's an update on the story. After he was arrested, the ex-Kenyan governor, Mike Sonko, is set to bail out fake lawyer Brian Mwenda, who was arrested after winning all 26 cases he handled. He plans to sponsor his education and help him achieve his dream of becoming a lawyer. He plans to sponsor his education and help him achieve his dream of becoming a lawyer. When I saw this part, the update, I was very happy. But when I got to this part, I didn't understand. Sponsor which education?
Yeah, guys. It's very discouraging to see guys attacking this brilliant legal mind on social media. All those attacking this friend of mine are nincompoops. Yeah, this guy, he has never killed anyone. He's not a terrorist. He's not a criminal. Ni brenzake anatumia. And I want to convey my compliments to you, Mr. Atwoli, Court Secretary General. And I want to put it clear that, as I've promised on social media today in the morning, we are going to bail this guy out. Bwana DCI, we are going to produce Brian to your good officers next week, probably on Monday or Tuesday.
Did the guy prove himself to be an illiterate? That's the first question. This guy sat in the court and won cases against other lawyers. And I don't know why he wants to sponsor his education. What else does he need? This guy don't need anything. Just give him a degree, certificate, and let him start operating or open a law firm, set up a new law firm for this particular guy. Because I don't think he needs any education. And he said, help him achieve his dream. The person was already living his dream. He had won 26 cases as a lawyer. We did 6 cases, 26. We winning 26 now. So what's the dream again? My dream is to be the best lawyer in Ghana, and all the cases I've tackled, I won. I'm living my dream. So what dream do you want him to achieve again? If you want to build him, that's perfectly fine. But saying you want to take him back to school, this guy don't need anything. He doesn't also be sure to be called to the bar. This guy has already been to the bar. Any bar, he has been there. Pinch bar, sport bar, what bar again? Ghana bar. Bongo bar. Or bar again? Bambara beans. This guy has been to all those places. And if you have sat down with lawyers, judges, Court of Appeal, magistrates, messengers near the Adina in the courts, prosecutor, everyone. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 26. All the 26 this guy has won. Why do you need to arrest this guy? This guy is more like an asset to Kenya. The last time we shot the video, I was telling Sheldon that the people they should arrest is the other 26 lawyers. Because imagine you going to school. I don't know, the law school, maybe 4 years or 5 years, I don't know. Imagine going to school, you write entrance exam for you to be called to the bar, what sure you pass. And someone who didn't go to the law school, didn't write any exam, sat home, watch YouTube videos, just visit the courtroom and see how they operate there. Sat down, case number 1, case number 2, 3, 4, 26. And you want everything. And you that you have worked to school 5 years, one for school, in your CV, you have lost the case. And this guy's CV has not lost the case. So the Kenyan authorities were supposed to arrest the other lawyers, the 26 lawyers, or the judge who gave the final verdict is supposed to be arrested. Even in Ghana, I think months ago, there was a guy who was acting like a lawyer in court. They will all come, my lord, nani a cheno. They didn't waste time. So imagine someone going to court, and if you know the court proceedings very well, one particular case, you wait me the 4 years AD. And this guy looks very young from the pictures you are seeing on social media. This guy looks very young. One particular case, they can use like 2 years. Imagine appearing in front of court for, let's say, 5 times per case. I've not been to any court hearing where they have solved the case within the first time. Captain Mahama, Ghana Captain Mahama, is it a police, the military man who was up to now. It's been like 3 or 4 years. So imagine if this guy was the lawyer for that particular case, appearing in court day, night, till now. And he has won 26 cases. And you, the lawyers and magistrates, you are sitting there and you have arrested this guy because he was fake. Kenya needs to protect this guy. When Kenya has an issue with other countries, this is the guy that's supposed to go and represent him. They should, you see, citizen, how to become a citizen of a country, they're citizen by birth. Then honor conferment, we say in a man of confirmation. They should just call him. The president of Kenya should call him. Everyone should come together. The judiciary, they announce this guy. Chief Justice, farmer guy, because the work he has done for Kenya, he has placed Kenya on the map. If they arrest himself, I don't know, he's supposed to appear in court. This person does not need a lawyer. He will defend himself and he will win all the cases. This particular guy, this case that they have arrested him. And there was a report where they said the Kenyan law firm, they were denying that this guy had not won 26 cases. Whether he won 20. Out of 20, he's very good. If this guy attended 20 cases, no, for 20 now, there's no problem. I don't know why they should even be complaining in the first place. Proper assets. If Kenya don't like you, come to Ghana. Now, Ghana, we have some lawyers here. He has been called to the bar. 5 years, we have some lawyers in Ghana. Phone case, they no win some. Pillowcase. Even the word in case, they don't have it in their dictionary. We have some lawyers in case they don't get some. Suitcase, briefcase. The only brief they can have is news in brief, TV3 news in brief. They don't have any case. They have not won anything. When this was posted, we had some people in the comments there. They were saying that the governor, ex-governor there, why do you come in? Because the sitting president is supposed to be the one that should be reporting on issues like this, or the chief justice should come in. But then they were part of the people who arrested this guy. When it was posted, this person said, how did he keep winning the cases? Was he legally trained but never admitted to practice? This is a very fair and honest question. How did he keep winning the cases? Was he legally trained but never admitted to practice? When you're human resource, business admin, that will say, okay, you can just sit down now, do law, you have to read a lot. That's why I was saying that this guy was watching YouTube videos. This person said his dream, he won all the cases. He's living his dream already. Why are you stressing? This person says, wait, we forgot to talk about the lawyers that lost the cases to this guy. If my dad was in Kenya and I check his records and he lost to this particular guy, the certificate met it him. I don't know your essence of being a lawyer. School, 80 cases, you lose against a fake lawyer. This person says, go to school for what? For winning 26 cases without a degree. I don't think the Chief Justice is even qualified to stand next to him. He just called the whole legal system a joke. Give him a degree already. It makes sense. I don't think the Chief Justice is even qualified to stand next to him. He just called the whole legal system a joke. This person said, this is a good lawyer. He has won all the cases. The proof of the pudding is in the eating. The proof of the pudding is in the eating. I think I've heard this case. It's a proverb way back in JHS. The proof of the pudding is in the eating. It means that you need to test something before you can attest to it. I think something like that. The proof of the pudding is a proverb. They should just give him a permit and allow him to teach law. This person says, inspiring. Well, now I don't need a degree to become a police officer. No, I don't know. This is positive and at the same time negative. What are you trying to tell those going to school to become a pilot? You are wasting your time. Those going to school to become a lawyer or a judge or a legal practitioner, you are wasting your time. Because if someone sat home, imagine saving all your school fees only for you to win 26 cases and you still have your school fees at home. I'm sure this guy, the parents forced him to go to school to practice law. He said, nah, mommy, with the met fee, I'll just watch YouTube, I'll watch movies, and then this will be perfect for me. We're saving school fees. We are paying school fees, 20,000. If I calculate my school fees from level 100 to 400, I'll discourage some people, so let me continue. This person says, yes, I am against fraud, but his decision to send him back to school is laudable. But allow him to serve his prison term first, if convicted. Okay, so this person says, he should go in there, yenchin into Uncle serving a term, no ria. Then he comes out to become a lawyer. But I don't know why they are supposed to jail this guy though. They should confer the degree on him for passing the course from the field. This person says, big win for Brian. His name is Brian. If you are not good at spelling, you mistakenly spell Brian as brain. He get brains. Yeah, Brian. Brian is B-R-I-A-N. Yes. B-R-I-A-N. Yeah, brain is B-R-A-I-N. Yeah. Yes, brain be B-R-A-I-N, right? My producer said, no. Big win for Brian, but I suggest spell brain and spell Brian. Big win for Brian, but I suggest they send all the lawyers he won the case against to go back to school and write another exams. They should make Brian the chief of something because he's sabi. Fair enough, right? Fair enough, ladies and gentlemen. All the 26 lawyers, they should send them back to school. Not just back to the law school, but they should start class 4. No more class 5. They should go back to JHS because the basics, they no get them. The basics of identifying someone to be fake should be very easy, but they failed. Yes, so guys, this is the update on this story. I don't know what you think, if this guy should be jailed, should be fined, or they should consider him, call him to the bar, or just give him a degree certificate. I don't know. Tell us what you think in the comment section. My name is Ace Kanti. This episode was brought to you by Bit Africa. I'm out.